Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I was telling about the TCS onboarding update. There was a big update regarding the TCS student who have just passed the exam in 2022 the TCS NQT, having the good news about the starting joining date, and there is important information about this information. There will be the joining in June or July, something like that, because in the past 2021 batch student who got the joining in June to September in a mid month. So there was information regarding the joining of the fresh candidate who has applied for the TCS NQT in August session. There was an offer letter was received by the candidate in a last December or 30th December. After that there was no information, but there was a information about the TCS Explore section. There was you have to upgrade your TCS Ninja profile to the digital. There was an exam conducted by the TCS company in 23 of March. After that there was no information. There was a physical joining also was conducted by the candidate, but there was no information regarding the bus. But this is the information I'm just telling about in this video. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this video. You get the information about what I'm trying to say, that TCS onboarding or starting joining date or something like that. In this video you will get the information. So guys, just subscribe my channel Technical Rajput blog for the more update. There was a candidate who received the application received by the 15/7/2021. There was a 21 batch student, understand guys. So guys, there was applied for drive in a system 15/7/2021. There was a candidate batch who was 26 23 23, understand guys. ILP eligible in a 22/10/2021. After that there was no information regarding the company side. There is a ILP schedule in a 21/6/2023. And after 2021 he was waiting for the onboarding update regarding the onboarding news, but he got not get the information from the company side. He just waiting. There was a joining letter generated by the company in a 21/5/2020. Just 2 to 3 days ago, there was a candidate who received the joining letter generated after the 1 year of waiting. 21/5/2023, in a recent 21 May, he get the joining letter generated mail from the company side, because he was waiting for the in the last 2021 batch joining was delayed due to some circumstances by company due to the delay of a recession, something like this. But TCS not going to be delay in any other process. So guys, there was the information also 2022 batch also get the information regarding the joining date. Firstly, they will get the joining in 2021 who got not got the onboarding in the last 8 to 9 months, get the ILP generated mail from the company side in a TCS Next Step portal. You can check it guys. Again, if you are not onboarded in a 2021 batch student or 2022 batch student, you can check it on the TCS Next Step portal where you get the information. This was the mail for the company side. Yesterday I received many candidates. Welcome to the TCS Experience Physical Joining at a TCS Training Location. First connect session is at 2 p.m. 22 May. There was a 22 May 2023. Tomorrow for the first date of joining is 8th of June. So guys, there was a physical joining at a TCS Training Location. The first connect session was a 22 May was conducted by the company. Date of joining is 8th of June. Dear candidate, a warm welcome to the Tata Consultancy Service Limited. Trust you. You loved the ones of the keeping the safe. This mail is with reference to the TCS joining letter released on you on 21st May. Who got the joining letter of the 21st May has the joining date on 8th of June. So guys, there was a mail received by the candidate having two week ago was a joining. When the candidate get the joining, it received the letter from the 2 week ago. So guys, if you not receive the letter, don't lose hope, because in the given days you can also get the letter of the joining letter who is not onboarded in the 2021-22 batch student. Apart from them, there was a fresher candidate. After that, this onboarding completed by the candidate, if a pending candidate of 2021-22. After that, there was a candidate of 2023. Expected joining will be the possible in the July to August session. There will be the chance for the fresher candidate who is applied for the TCS NQT. There will be chance from the July to August, because there was a exam was conducted by the many university and many other state university conducted their exam for the BTech or something like that. So there was a delay due to some problem like that. After the completion of your degree, there was a joining after the July to August session for the fresher candidate. This was the 2021-22 batch candidate who received not who was onboarding was delayed due to some like that onboard problem like that happening. So guys, this is the information you are having the 8th of June joining. Congratulations for many candidates who have received the joining. Thank you all for. I will subscribe and like. Jai Jawan, Jai Kishan.